Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a Campusx account and a modern browser. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard and click the Jupyter Notebook launcher to create a session. Make sure to choose the correct kernel for your course. This ensures packages and Python versions align. If prompted, select CPU or GPU instance based on assignments. This first step lets you access compute immediately, so you can open or upload notebooks and begin executing cells without delay. Once your notebook opens, organize the workspace. Upload files or clone the course repo. You should set the working directory and verify the kernel matches the notebook language. This prevents import errors. If a package is missing, install it inside a cell using pip or conda so the environment persists for your session. Use incremental runs of small cells to test outputs. This approach isolates problems quickly and keeps long computations from blocking your flow. To finish, run the notebook from top to bottom to ensure deterministic results. You should save checkpoints frequently and download the IPINB as a backup before ending the session. If heavy computations crash or the kernel becomes unresponsive, restart the kernel and rerun critical cells. This clears memory leaks. For persistent issues, inspect server or browser console logs, reconnect to the Campusx instance, and report errors with exact messages. That single troubleshooting tip saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.